Agents, we have now officially entered into a market shift. What does it mean? What does it look like? What do we do about it? Well, here's the thing. First and foremost, we got to stay calm, right? As professionals, we have to help our buyers and sellers understand what's happening in the marketplace. I explain it like this. Right now, interest rates have absolutely been in a correction phase. For years, interest rates were lower than they should have been because the government was buying mortgages. Well, they stopped doing that earlier this year, so now rates are simply correcting. That's causing rates to go up. It is causing some folks to not be able to qualify. But the other thing that's happening is inventory is unlocking. It's coming on the market. There are more homes available, so sellers have to understand, hey, your home's probably not going to sell in 24, 48 hours, and that's okay. Back in 2018, in one of the metro areas that I serve in mortgage lending, the average days on market was like 92 days. That's just back in 2018. For our sellers, they've got to reframe their thinking, and we've got to lead them and educate them. We have to quell the panic that the news media is causing with all this nonsense about housing bubble and housing crisis. It's a strong market, guys, and we all know that. But you've got to partner with a lender that's going to help you to solidify this and use data to help your clients drive decisions. If your lender isn't using data to help you convert, reach out. We would love to be that for you and help you to stay in the game and at the top of the game through this market shift.